Okay, so you've got the code in, and hopefully when you hit compile, you've got no syntax errors, which is great. But if you've tested it, you notice it's still not doing anything. Now, with the double negative in the question, we now know if it's going to touch an object to do something, but we haven't put that in. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the ant itself. The way we do that, the first thing we need to do is we need to find out what world we're on. Remember that we've just got a world called my world, but there may be many others. And when we are programming the class, it doesn't particularly know, well, which world do you want to get it off? So we have to tell it. Now, the way we tell it to remove it from the world we're looking at is we use the command getWorld. So if we start with getWorld, that's camel case. So capital W, please, and 2 curved brackets. So that just says, okay, whichever world I'm on, I want to then, full stop, remove an object from this world. And again, notice that's a capital O, so we're going to remove an object. Now, you can remove any object you like, but if you've named it properly. So I could remove squish, and it would get rid of the foot. But I don't want to remove the squish, I want to remove the ant that we're programming now. So when you think about it, if you may want to give your ants names like George and Bernard and Susan, but as far as the ant is concerned, it calls itself the ant that is this ant. So we remove this. And that will actually mean that if the foot touches the ant, it will remove itself from the world that it happens to be on at the time. And that's what this line of code does. I compile. And now if I give that a quick test, so I run that, over goes my foot, and the ants, as soon as they touch the foot, they're removed. And that's what you should see. Okay? Got that? Away you go.